Hey everyone, welcome to Newsletter Growth Lab. I'm Alex, your host for today's deep dive into the future of email marketing.
And I'm Jamie. If you think email is dead, think again. In 2025, it's not just alive, it's evolving faster than ever.
Exactly. With over 4.6 billion email users worldwide and a 36 average return for every $1 spent, email remains one of the highest ROI marketing tools available.
Today, we're going to break it down from scratch. Whether you're starting with 0 subscribers or have thousands already, we'll help you build smarter and faster.
And we're not holding back. This is going to be a full-fledged, step-by-step playbook. So grab a coffee, open a fresh doc, and let's build your email empire.
So let's start here. Why should people even care about email in 2025?
Good place to start. Everyone talks about DMS, short-form video, social ads. But with email, you own your audience. No algorithms, no shifting engagement hacks, just direct access.
Plus, 99% of users check their inbox daily, and email drives conversions. People actually buy through email. We're seeing newsletters, e-commerce flows, SaaS drip sequences. They're all built around email. Even the creator economy depends on it. Email is the backbone.
Let's not forget deliverability. Your post might not be seen on social, but if your email is crafted well, you're in their pocket.
Exactly, and email's getting smarter. AI tools are optimizing subject lines, personalizing content, and tracking intent. It's a whole new game.
So if you're listening right now thinking, do I need an email list? The answer is yes. And not just any list, an engaged one. That's what we're building today. So where do we even begin?
Start with your core value. Why should someone give you their email? What's in it for them? This is where lead magnets come in.
Right. Your lead magnet needs to solve a real problem. Think cheat sheets, templates, guides, toolkits, or even quizzes. What type of freelancer are you? Or find your brand voice. Those things are irresistible.
Offer something with instant value, something they need. Let's break down an example. Take a fitness coach, lead magnet. 7-day, no equipment home workout plan. High value, immediate use.
And then you need a landing page. One goal, get the email. Keep the page minimal. Headline, short subheading, email box, CTA. Add social proof if you can. Testimonials, number of downloads, even a trust badge. Now drive traffic. Promote on your social media, in your bio, inside blog posts.
Don't forget collaborations, share audiences with similar creators, run giveaways, cross-promote. And one of our favorite tips, ask people personally. If you've got a network, leverage it. Pop-ups get a bad rap, but they work. If they're timed right, they're gold. Try exit intent, scroll-triggered, or time delay pop-ups, and use compelling language. Want 15% off? Works. But steal our $200 copywriting checklist, free, works better. Sidebar forms, inline forms, footer CTAs, use them all. Just be intentional.
And make sure it's mobile optimized. 60% of users open email and browse on mobile. B test your forms, especially your CTAs. Try verbs like get, unlock, reveal.
Your Instagram or TikTok? That's just your top of funnel.
The goal is to move people from rented space to owned space. That's your email list. Put your link in bio. Use tools like Linktree, Card, beacons to house your sign-up page.
Post teasers of your newsletter content, turn highlights into carousels, and use stories with CTAs. Want the full version? It's in the newsletter. Also, leverage platform-native lead forms. Facebook, LinkedIn, and even YouTube now support these.
Retarget your warm audience with ads leading to your lead magnet. All right, let's get into pro mode.
Let's go. First up, referral loops. Add a line at the bottom of your email. Enjoying this? Forward it to a friend. Or build a referral system. Reward subscribers for sharing.
We've seen creators give away merch, discounts, even digital products for 3, 5, or 10 referrals. Next up, bundles. Create content bundles or email courses that drip out over a week.
Each email builds trust. Each one deepens the relationship. Also, run webinars, collect emails on the registration page, deliver real value, reuse the replay as a gated resource, evergreen lead magnet. The pros build systems, create 3 to 4 ways for people to enter your funnel, and keep the engine running with automation.
Cool. So now we have people on the list. What do we send them?
This is where the magic happens. You need a strong content strategy. Think in categories: story emails, tip of the week emails, behind the scenes emails. Make a content calendar. Aim for consistency, once a week minimum. The first email is your welcome sequence. Nail this. Introduce yourself. Give instant value. Show them what's coming. Think of it like onboarding. You're training your reader to open, engage, and expect value, and always include a CTA. Doesn't have to be salesy, can be hit reply, vote in this poll, or check this tool. Every email should answer, what's the point? Why should they care? A big list means nothing if they don't open.
Yep. Clean your list every 90 days. Remove cold subscribers.
Monitor your deliverability, open rate, click-throughs. Keep your spam score low. Avoid all caps, shady links, spammy words. And give people ways to opt down instead of opting out.
Preference centers are smart. Let them choose frequency or topics. All right. That was a marathon.
But it was worth it. Today we went from mindset to magnets to systems to strategy. And remember, this is evergreen. Start with 10 subscribers, show up, add value, build slowly, consistently, and ethically. Your list will grow, and your business will grow with it.
See you in the next episode. Don't forget to subscribe and check the show notes for all the resources we mentioned.